Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. So this week I'm going on a diet frenzy. It's only because the cauliflower is very cheap, so I bought a bunch of them. Don't know what to do with them, so I blitzed them up and turned them into rice. Well, sort of like they call this cauliflower rice, by the way. Now, I'm making a low carb nasi goreng today. Let's prep the ingredients first. First of all, I've got the onions. I'm gonna just slice them up. Then I'm gonna cut my carrots into julienne or matchsticks, however you call it. Next is the chili. Now you need chilies because chilies give you the heat, and on top of that, it gives you a color. Now choy sam tastes a bit like pak choy, so if you can't get hold of choy sam, you can also use pak choy, or you can use any type of leafy greens, it's fine. You can try kale or even spring greens. Now we're gonna have the stem. The stem is gonna go in with the carrots. The great thing about nasi goreng is you can throw in whatever ingredients that you like. So today, I'm using chicken as well as prawns. Just give it a good slice. Just cut them into thin slices. Now let's get a wok and start frying our rice or cauliflower. So first of all, I'm going to turn up the heat and I'm adding some oil to it. The first thing that you want to cook is the chicken. Now that our chicken is almost done, we're gonna throw in the vegetables. So let's go in the stem part of the choy sam, carrots, chilies, and onions. If there's a good stir to that, let's add in our chili paste. First of all, let's do the signature chili paste. Give this a good stir. Right after that, the fire chili paste, adding 1 tablespoon. Next, I'm adding in 3 eggs. Once the egg is almost done, I'm just gonna give it a good stir again. Now I'm adding in my cauliflower rice. Now guys, with the cauliflower rice, you might need to cook it a bit longer as compared to normal rice. It's only because cauliflower is vegetable, so they have a lot of water content in them. Right now this is almost done. I'm gonna add a bit of soy sauce. And another secret ingredient that you need to use is kicap manis. And I'm very hungry. Let's add the cooked prawns. I'm using some cooked king prawns. If you're using fresh one, remember to add it along with the chicken. And the leafy part of our choy sam. Now that my low carb nasi goreng is done, let's plate it up. Right, time to tuck in. I can't believe this is not rice. Now this low carb nasi goreng is so flavorful. It's got like a nice savory, spicy feel, and surprisingly it's got like a nice and subtle oyster-like flavor. I think it's from the cauliflower. Don't know why, but it's amazing, right up my street. So guys, if you're trying to cut down on the carbs but not want to lose all the flavors, why not try this recipe out? And if you've got any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra! So today, we're making a cauliflower fried rice. Or should I just say, fried cauliflower? Or what is cauliflower in Malay? Now, by the way, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a hat every single episode these days, it's because my hair is so messy and so long that I have to use a hat or a cap to cover it. Making full use of my headgears, you see. Now I'm having so much cauliflower rice, enough to cook for an army.